How to be fit for lifetime. Friends, fitness is not a destination, fitness is a journey. I remember that when for the first time I started my fitness journey, I used to go to gym, I used to do the crash diets, but I was not feeling happy and I was not feeling energetic. But today I like to tell you about it how you can adapt a fit lifestyle even in past you got or you felt yourself failed into it. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat and I help them to achieve their dream personality and I help them to achieve an extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, Narendra Modi ji has said that if your body is fit, then your mind is hit. A fit person not only hit in his work, but he is also hit or she is also hit in her home also. So that's why you need to know this thing that fitness is not a destination, it is a lifelong journey and you have to adapt some good fit habits in your life. Today I like to tell you about the 3 criteria where you can adapt the fitness and how you can adapt the fitness in your life. The number 1 is you need to start slow. I have seen many people, they lift heavy weights in their gym and they also lift so much in their home, whatever weights they have. They also try to run marathon in their first day. It is a wrong thing. You need to start really slow. You need to analyze that what is good for you or what is not good for you. You need to analyze this thing that what kind of habit which you can keep for your lifelong. I keep the habit of walking into me and since then I do not do any kind of hard workouts and anything else. I just do what I love to do and nothing else. The second habit which you need to know that you need to adapt the skills of fitness. Friends, as writing is a skill, but how to write? Writing is a skill, but how to write is a knowledge and a skill also which a person must learn. We know how to read book, but how to read fast is a skill. In the same way, we all know the fitness is a task which we need to do in our life, but we need to learn that what are the key criteria of fitness. We have heard about the keto diet, intermittent dieting, but how to do and how to apply in this life, still no one tells us right. The doctors has its own knowledge and the other nutrition and dietitians has its own knowledge. But what suits to you, you need to know and you need to learn this skill within you because the food is the thing which we need to consume every day to survive and to make results in our life. But if you're not going to learn the skill, then how to eat right food, then it is a problem. And take care and keep this note, if you're not going to learn the skill, then you're not going to improve quality of life till you die. The third criteria that you need to adapt the fitness as what you can do for your whole life. Let's say that you know that the walking is the thing which I love, but maybe you are the person who's going to love the Zumba, aerobics and other things in your life. You need to do this thing. Then after that you're going to know that what you can keep and what is good for your health. At times I love to walk for long walks also. It is my kind of a thing. I go to gym also. It is my kind of a thing. But you don't need to do this thing. And research has proved this thing that you need to do any gymming or any hard kind of workout just 3 times in a week, not every day. So you can adapt some kind of habits and if you love to swimming, just go to swimming, but don't stop. Confucius had said that how slow you can do, you just need to do only. So that's why you can adapt the good habits in your life and you can see the changes in your life. Don't compare yourself with other persons. Do what you love to do, but take a discipline, get a good knowledge, start slow and do what you like. So friends, these are some of the 3 criteria which I have told you. Friends, if you want to start your health journey in my way, then I have created an ebook. Link I'm giving you in the description where you can download so that you can start your health journey, you can start your diet journey and you will also get inspired from my story also. Friends, if you want to lose up to 10 kg, not in a months, not in a weeks, but in a days, then you can contact me directly. I would love to help you. I would love to make your life easy for you. This is Bhupendra signing out for now and you just need to know your fitness.